Good morning, everyone. Let's start a topic for today. But for starting before the topic, if you are new on the channel, please subscribe and like and share the video. How to speak in English? How to speak in English? There is a question behind in everyone's mind, those who are not able to speak in English. How you can speak in English? First of all, I would like to tell you, try to speak in English. Means that the first thing you can do is start reading. Whatever you read, book or the newspaper or the magazine depends upon you. But the matter is, and which is really effective, that start reading every day, at least half an hour. If you will start reading every day, so you will see the words, you will read the words, you will also pronounce the words. Try to try to do reading while speaking. Means whenever you are reading, so read little bit louder. If you will read little bit louder, so you will listen your own voice, your pronunciation will become better and you will be familiar about the English. So the first thing is, everyone know the alphabets A, B, C and Z. Everyone know about the alphabets. So by combining the alphabet, it is becoming a word. So you know the alphabet, everyone know. But if we talk about the words, so there are the things which are the spellings and the pronunciation and the proper arrangement of the word. Then it became a good sentence. So try to first do one thing. Try to start reading every day, at least half an hour, 1 hour, depends upon you, and speak and read louder so that you can listen your own voice, which will be more effective for you. So whenever you will read your own voice, you can work on your pronunciation also. When you will work on that, so you will start speaking always. So the first thing is that start reading, and you can do one thing also, you can record your own voice and listen your own voice. So, and one more thing which is more important, for speaking in English you need a words. For need a word, you have to learn at least 50 to 60 words every day. 50 to 60 words every day if you will learn, so your vocabulary, your power of the words will become more, because every day you will learn the 50. If I talk with the example of the, if you read the 50 words or learn the 50 words every day, so it means that in a month you will get more than 1500 words in a month, and you need a word if you want to speak in English. So first is reading and then is vocabulary. Means that you have to learn 50 to 60 words every day, which will really improve your speaking skills. And now it is the turn of speaking. Try to speak in English. You have the words and you have the knowledge of reading, you have the knowledge of pronunciation. Now you have to try to speak in English with your friends, with your family or in your office, and you know the benefit of start speaking English. It will really help you in the IELTS examination, TOEFL examination, or study overseas if you want to try, or you want to go for the corporate jobs. It will really helpful. And for the introduction point of view, if you want a good job in a private sector, so you have to prepare well in English, and you have to work hard on your English, so that only you can get a good jobs if you are speaking good English. So these type of the basics works for the beginners. You have to try every day, which will really help you to improve your spoken English. It will really gonna work. Thank you so much. Thanks for today.